Welcome to Server Logic Simplified.
Have you ever wondered what invisible dance happens behind the scenes every time you click a link or open an application that connects to the internet? It feels instant, like magic, but there is a careful, highly coordinated process ensuring your data travels safely and reliably. At the heart of this reliability is the Transmission Control Protocol, or TCP, three-way handshake. These are the fundamental steps involved in establishing a connection between two devices on a network, making sure they are both ready to communicate before any real data starts flowing. This crucial process is called a three-way handshake because it involves three distinct steps or packet exchanges. First, the client, which is the device initiating the connection, sends a synchronized packet, often abbreviated as SYN, to the server. This SYN packet indicates the client's desire to establish a connection and includes an initial sequence number, which is a unique number used to track data flow. Upon receiving the SYN packet, the server responds with a synchronized acknowledge packet, or SYN-ACK. This packet serves two purposes. It acknowledges the client's SYN and also sends its own initial sequence number, indicating the server's readiness to connect. Finally, the client completes the handshake by sending an acknowledge packet, or a CK, back to the server, confirming receipt of the SYN-ACK and completing the connection establishment. This exchange ensures that both sides agree on the starting point for data transmission, setting the stage for an orderly and reliable conversation. From your perspective as a user, this translates into simply opening a web page or starting a video call. Your device, acting as the client, discreetly sends out that first SYN packet. The server on the other end quickly replies with the SYN-ACK, and just as fast, your device sends the final ACK, and you are connected. This entire sequence happens in milliseconds, often before you even consciously perceive that a connection is being made. An interesting detail about this process lies within the Transmission Control Protocol packet header itself. There are specific control flags, like the synchronize flag and the acknowledge flag, that are set to 1 during these steps to signal the intent of each packet. These flags, along with the negotiated initial sequence numbers, are vital for ensuring that subsequent data packets can be reassembled correctly and arrive in the proper order, even if they take different paths across the network. Understanding the TCP three-way handshake illuminates the robust engineering beneath our daily digital interactions. It is not just about connecting. It is about establishing a shared understanding and a reliable foundation for all subsequent data exchange. This careful setup ensures that whether you are sending an email or streaming a movie, your data arrives completely and precisely as intended, making the internet a truly dependable communication medium.
If this helps you code smarter, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.